How to activate a HSBC debit card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate your HSBC debit card. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Here I will go through the website of HSBC Bank. You can also follow the same steps on your HSBC mobile banking application in your mobile device. So here I will open up a Chrome browser and on the search URL type in HSBC Bank. Here I will go with the hsbc.co.uk. Then you will land on the official web page of HSBC Bank. Now to get started, first of all you have to log on to your HSBC banking account. So simply tap a log on button from the right hand side at the top of this interface. Then enter your correct login credentials and log into your account. Once you're logged in, now here are the steps that you need to follow to activate your debit card. Here I will just show you the steps. So tap on the three horizontal line icon. Now from this drop down menu bar, tap on help. Again it will get expanded. From there, under managing your account, tap on card support. If you scroll down a bit, there you will get an option as activate your card. And here's in this page you will get a detailed information on how you can activate your card. So first of all, you have to log on to your account on mobile banking application. You have to use your biometrics and secure key, then tap the account for the card you want to activate. Then once you're logged in, go to manage account, then select activate card. After that you have to choose the card that you need to activate. Then review the information displayed and then tap on confirm. With that, your card is now activated. And similarly, you can also activate with online banking. Here are all the steps given to you. Go through that and that will help you out to activate your HSBC debit card. So that's how you can activate HSBC debit card, and that's all for today's video. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.